HCPCS 2 or Level 2 JJ-HCA Procedures, page 005, Part 9.
Local codes were established when an insurer preferred that suppliers use a local code to identify a service for which there is no Level 1 or Level 2 code, rather than use a miscellaneous or not otherwise classified code.
Okay. Now, this is kind of a history of what was before, okay? Because the elimination of local codes by 2002, they were supposed to be eliminated in 2002, but it was postponed and continued the use of local codes, and the use of local codes will continue through December 31st, 2003. This is just a history because they were eliminated in 2003 due to HIPAA, right? Now, the figures that we got there, the pictures that we got there, can you post here? Let me see. This level of service codes, level 1, which is CPT, level 2, which is HCPCS national codes, and this is the level 3. You see, this is the one that we are studying in theory. It's local codes, and they were phased out due to HIPAA. And just as a reminder, what it was, category 3 CPT codes. If a category 3 code is available, this code must be reported instead of category 1 unlisted code. So don't use unlisted, or don't use, what's the other? The miscellaneous, right?
Yes.
Don't use those codes that are not determined, but use a level 3 code, or you used to use those. Now they were phased out, okay? That's our theory part, and now we're going to do our problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, HCPCS JJ-HCA, page 602, exercise 10. And it reads like this.
IV or intravenous chelation therapy.
IV, intravenous chelation therapy. That's the problem. That's the procedure that you have to, or the therapy that you have to give us the HCPCS code, okay? So we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is M0300. If you got that, congratulations, you can go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's just give you a tip, or 2 tips. Tip number 1.
This is tip number 1. Start with chelation.
Start with chelation. That's your keyword, right?
Yes.
And then remember that the M codes are
miscellaneous medical services.
M codes. All the M codes are miscellaneous medical services, which this chelation therapy falls in that category. And just a reminder that tip number 2 is
IV means intravenous.
IV means intravenous, right? And there's a little picture there for you to just explain to you a little bit of what chelation therapy is. And remember that the answer is M0300. You have the answer already, but now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the path to the answer, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the whole summary of the problem is like this. IV chelation therapy. Give us the HCPCS codes for IV chelation therapy. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to chelation therapy.
Chelation, you start with chelation and then therapy.
Then it's M0300.
That's the code that you get, and you're going to check that in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular. Then you go to M0300.
And that is, IV, right?
Yes.
IV.
IV chelation therapy.
Chelation therapy, and there's the equal sign at the end, which means that you double check this code. So the answer is M0300. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website.
And also, you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right here, right? The red rectangle, right? Where it says subscribe, okay?
Yes. We make about 3 videos every day. ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
And when you subscribe, you get a note in your email about the new videos that we have done, okay? So thanks for watching again, and don't forget to visit our website and subscribe. Thank you.